time is now.
We're going to do a fitment check with the old finger checkaroo.
Good evening, welcome back to another video. Today we haven't really got much planned, one of those evenings, but you know, track day prep, that is a good point. That is going to be the title of this video. Track day prep with golf. I've got some stuff planned, however, I just haven't got around to filming it. You know, because we all work full-time jobs, so if you like and subscribe, we may be able to quit our full-time jobs and do this full-time. So Adam's finding difficulty of getting anything that's not factory ride height on this ramp. Even though this car's not particularly low, it's just a pain. We've also just got this tripod, so hopefully we can start getting some cool time-lapse stuff. I've asked the lads if they can start using their phones and stuff to get some content while I'm not around, so you can see what's going on. Wait, can you talk us through your little restoration job?
My restoration.
Your rear end, because you found some rot, didn't you, Adam?
Well, we'll start with how it always starts with cars. I wanted to replace all my subframe bushes, but as it normally goes, all of the bolts were seized in the bushes, and it turns out some of them you can't get to chop, especially the top like camber arm ones. So subframe had to come out, and then everyone told me to get it powder coated, so I was like, okay. That took a week, and then I was like, oh well, while I'm here, I'll wire wheel it and repaint it. And I started wire wheeling, and then I found rust holes as big as my fists in both arches, so I had to weld it, and here we are.
So then we did basically, well, I say we, Adam did a full rear end restoration, undersealed a lot. Up to, was it about here?
Yeah, just about here.
Yeah, so all new bushes, everything powder coated other than the anti-roll bar, but...
No, it's getting changed, it's alright.
Oh, right, okay. And then you welded all the, can you even see the job?
No, you can sort of see the inside bits. I don't know, it was this whole back corner.
Yeah.
Yes. Nice. Oh yeah, that used to be Mappleton Back Road chasing Owen. He used to know how to avoid the bumps. Look at that, my dodgy flexi pipe lighter to weld in.
I like this.
Yeah, it's mint, isn't it? All of them do, that's crap. Beauty.
It looks good, that.
Little baby turbo. Oh, right, there we go.
Look at that beauty.
Screams for England.
There should be some footage of this going around Cadwell Park, inside and outside. We've got the vinyl cutter out. No paparazzi for Mathers. We're getting the King wagon. King wagon's having a fucking sunstrip put on. She's a car gal now, apparently. Oh yeah. Is it cutting? Look at that. Beautiful. We've got the old gyal soaking wet.
Please tell me you're going to wrap my crab around that.
I hope so, yeah, because it's already got some micro scratching. Some swell marks. Basically, drench the fuck out the surface, drape it over, and you can position it. Don't permanently stick down, and you push the water out from underneath. Why is the airbox apple?
Bleeding clutch.
Oh, okay.
There was never an airbox in there.
Well, sorry, air filter. Now we're printing out some Sattire stickers. Mathers is in an interesting position. Rough. So, here is the finished product. So when you want to go apply the sticker, you just, I mean, I'm sure some of you are aware, but you just apply it onto the masking tape, and then you stick that onto the car, peel away the masking tape, and it should leave the vinyl die cut sticker. So yeah, these will be on the website probably by the time you've seen this video. I'll leave a link in the description. and go get them, and then have a look at our merchandise while you're there. Rattle. Race car now. Look at that.
Not the bleeder, the big one. Just keep it open. It fucking shot me. Oh yeah, she's gushing. She's fluid now.
Just give it a few more seconds, then shut it.
Okay, we'll call her.
We've got plenty of pressure.
Fucking hell. Fucking hell, it's quite a bit of slack. Like half a pedal.
Pump it all the way down a few times.
No, I don't know.
Time is now 1 AM. Adam's doing last minute track
Time
day.
is late, the time is now.
There's brake fluid literally everywhere. What are you doing now?
What?
What are you doing?
I've lost one of my bolts that held my under tray on.
That's good.
So I had to do that and then take the back seats out.
Nice. And fix your leak. Oh! This is sliding.
Jones isn't here right now because he's filming elsewhere, but we've got another boat in the unit today. I'm going to fit some different style wheels to it. Obviously Nathan's got one of these as well. We've got some coilovers for it and we've got some fresh wheels for it. So obviously this one's silver and Nathan's is gold. And this one's obviously not two-tone yet, but it has got all the VIP cushions in it. Auto life, obviously. Got to have the auto life. Oh, and the big dildo boy. The gear to slammer. So we're going to see what she looks like when we put these on. So bear with. This is the stock wheels, and then got the new MK4 Supra wheels on it, which I think look pretty decent, and they've got decent fitment, which is surprising because we thought they were going to be really sunk in. Obviously when we lower it, it's going to be way more cambered, but these cars really do suit either dish wheels and just standard single piece wheels, which I really like. Hopefully we'll be lowering it next weekend. Installing the Sattire sticker. You had to go a bit more to the left, lads, I think. Yeah. Alright, then Callum needs to come down. Oh, it's very much to the right. Have we stuck it down yet?
No.
Lift it up again. Go through there.
I don't know, do you want to stick your side down first? And then
Just, if you're careful, don't push it down, just drop it.
yeah.
Drop it down, there you go. You'll be able to see where roughly it is. That's in the black. I think you have to go for it, I don't really. This is the slowest sticker peel I've ever seen in my life.
The bubbles, man. Look at the bubbles.
Oh, the bubbles.
Oh, it's like bubble tea.
Oh yes, it's definitely way low on one side. Out of the block.
Oh yeah.
It's on there though.
No.
Got Brad's car here. We're gonna do a fitment check with the old finger checkaroo, and he's just lowered the rear to the max, and we've seen to it an issue.
To the max? It's not technically, it's not to the max.
Well, it is because there's no adjuster in it. So we've got literally got the fist test, and unfortunately, it's for a track car, not appalling.
It's a daily.
It does evenly match front to back. And you're tracking it what this Monday? Yeah. So we're going to see how if it blows up or not. Hopefully not. Wheels are all installed. And unfortunately, Callum, we're going to do the fitment check with a stick. And I think he might fail this as well on this one, because it's until we fit the coilover, which is a bit high. Then we've got my daily over here, and obviously it can't be a proper Sattire daily without it being absolutely slammed and ruining any fenders. So this one passes the finger test. She didn't go nowhere. Although they are a bit sunk in like a spaceship, which I'm not too happy about, but with some wheel space this should be perfect. And speaking of shitty fitment, got Mr. Jones himself showing up. The crappy Supra. We're doing fitment checks on everyone's cars. So we're gonna check the Supra definitely passes with flying colours. Even the front. Even the front, look at that. Oh, missing a clip. Very naughty.
That'll be fair treat.
Mate, it's not going well. It's not looking good, babe. Can't even get the fucking little shit off.
Some mechanic had to Google how to bleed his brakes, didn't you?
Yeah, 4 pots. Never done them before. Bad, that, innit?
Just about to start doing some welding on the S13. So I've got the patch in now for the missing piece. You can see the welding on the inside. Looks a bit messy, but it will clean up. So I've literally got one more patch to go, and then she's all finished. Ready for engine bay paint, which... I've left my phone! We're off for a spin. I've been.
Scary.
Yeah, so this one's scary. Here goes, spooky one.
In the land yacht. Where the fuck's Brad going? Bloody imbeciles racing down one-way roads. We are civilized youth. Hey, John! Come here, John! Hey, John! Woo!
Hiya.
Are you gonna say out or what? We've got a Clio meet going on. About 200. Jeez! Give a little Clio wave. She knows. You old bag, get here now. Fuck me, what are we waiting for? Christmas?